As you gaze upon the photograph, how does it make you feel? What does it all mean? The expanse of a quiet beach with the sea rippling to shore. Keep looking at the photograph and feel yourself becoming peaceful. Bring your focus to the sea. The waves are just ripples. Feel the softness of the sea flowing across your whole being. The sea waves are just ripples. This is bringing the most gentlest of healing. Any negativity you are holding is gently removed from you. You can just feel the negativity being washed away and dissolved. As you continue to look at the photograph, you begin to feel refreshed and peaceful. Allow your mind, body, and emotions to calm as you look at the photograph. Can you see the sea rippling as you soften your focus? Look at the clouds. They are soft. They give a feel of protection. Wrap yourself in the fluffy clouds. Feel their comforting hold around you, keeping you safe. Feel the love embrace you. Remember, you are loved. Allow yourself to sit and feel the scene. Allow the energies to gently heal you. When you are ready, gently bring yourself back into the room you are sitting. You are ready to face another day filled with peace, calm, and love. I bless you.